जो मेरेन गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्ष सरकारा वांगडा आसा तो मेरेन राज्यांत खंयच्याच धर्माच्या मनशाक धार्मीक फूट घालपाक दिवचे नात म्हण गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो म्हणयारो ट्रॉझन डेमेलो उलयलो. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There is a hue and cry about the death of Father Bismarck. Why has this organization remained silent on that? So the sensitivity is more to a structure than to a human. The question is whether the right, wrong is, even there is a dispute. Here investigation is in progress. There is a big hullabulla, and he is not only a human, he is a religious human who belongs to that fraternity. He is a priest, which disturbed me, and therefore I was forced to hold this press conference. Religious structures are destroyed. Man is found. Investigation is in progress. You are jumping the gun in the middle of just when elections, by-elections are there, releasing that report. Now this team, whichever the team was of this social justice team, they had met the police earlier. Why did you not go back to the police and tell them that this is our investigation? Why it is not telling? You just come out to the press, and how do you solve the problem? Is it creating peace, or is it creating an alarming situation? The faithful get carried away many a times. Many a times. The question is, why create an alarming situation? Why try to add fuel into fire when there is no fire? And when there is no fire, that fuel will hit back. And our Catholic community will have a negative fallout. You can't be doing this. Investigation is not over. The man is not framed as yet. And suddenly, parallelly, you come out with an investigative report. Is this bringing peace, or is this creating tension? There are people in the government that you could speak to. Before releasing that investigative report, you could have gone to the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister. You had actually met the top police authorities earlier. They have given an explanation. Fair enough, you may not be satisfied. Go back with your findings and see where it is. Today there is also an article. Don't politicize this type of issues. Let the police do their job, let them complete the job. Courts are there who will determine whether the investigation is done satisfactorily or not. But the timing is so suspect. And there is no fire, you are putting fuel. Whom it will hit back? It will hit our community. I am a part of that community. So, with all this, when these questions were posed to me yesterday, it was disturbing. Because there is no point in raising up these issues. But the way they have come to the press directly, that too in the middle of an election, a by-election, making it an issue. Article writes that democracy will be decided with this election. So what it is supposed to be now? Voting for this present government, democracy would be decided. I want to assure the people of Goa that as long as Goa Forward is an ally of this government, no one, when I say no one, I mean no one, from any religion will be allowed to create communal tensions.